Hello class. This lesson is going to cover modern math classroom expectations. The learning target for this lesson is I can identify the class expectations. So we've already talked about materials that you will be needing for class, but here they are again. So you will always need your Chromebook. You want to make sure that it is fully charged. If not, make sure you bring your charger so that it can be charged during class. You will also have a textbook. The textbook will stay in the classroom. If you would like to take the textbook home in order to study or to finish something, that's fine. Just make sure you bring it back. You are going to need headphones and they need to be compatible with your Chromebook. So if you have headphones that you want to use, go ahead and use them. Otherwise, I have headphones available in the classroom. And then you will need a writing utensil. A sharpened pencil is going to be the best writing utensil. However, pen is also fine. I also have pencils available in the classroom. Cell phones. According to the case cell phone policy, you cannot use your cell phones during instructional time. So phones should be kept away during the class. I will give you one warning at the beginning of class. If I see your cell phone out, I'll give you a second warning, and then if we have to get to a third warning, I will take your cell phone and put it in the cabinet in the classroom and also call home. Anything after that will become an office referral. You are going to have a daily check-in. So it is the expectation that you will complete the check-in each day. It will be in Google Classroom and it just lets me know how you are doing and what you will be working on that day. We've talked about the pacing tracker already. So the pacing tracker will help you identify classmates that you can work with when you are doing your practice. You always want to choose people who are on the same lesson as you. And then we have the module guide. So you want to check the module guide daily to check what part of the lesson you are on and when it is due. The module guide contains the lesson number, when it is due, and your must do and should do practice for each lesson. Remember, the must do practice is things that you must do and it will go in the grade book. And then the should do are things that you really should do. And if you have time, do them. And in order to retake a mastery check, you need to do the should do assignment. The expectation for video and notes. As you watch the video, you need to follow along with the guided notes and fill in important information. When you complete your notes, you need a 75% or higher on that quiz during the video. You should check it off on your module guide to keep track that you've completed them and then begin the practice for that lesson. The expectation for practice is you can work on your own or you can collaborate with a classmate if you want. Remember, a lot of times I may be helping individuals or small groups. So if I am busy, ask 3 classmates for help before you ask me. And then make sure you review your work and understand the concepts. So after completing all of the practice for a lesson, you will do the mastery check. And this is to show if you are proficient on what you just learned. Mastery checks are taken on your own without notes. You will sit in the area of the room designated for mastery checks. They count as a scrimmage grade in Infinite Campus. And remember, mastery checks, you need to get at least a 2.5 in order to move on to the next lesson. And then at the end of class, you will complete an end of class reflection, and this will also be found in Google Classroom. And that is the end of video 0.2. Let me know if you have any questions.